Most people underestimate field service software. They think it is just for scheduling jobs or sending invoices. But in reality, the right system can completely change how your business runs day to day. In this video, you will learn the best features of Service Fusion in 2026, how they actually work in real businesses, and why some companies rely on it every single day. By the end, you will understand if it fits your workflow or if it is too advanced for your needs. Let's start with the core idea. Service Fusion is built for field service businesses like HVAC, plumbing, electrical, and repair companies. It is designed to bring scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and customer communication into one system, so you do not have to juggle multiple tools. Now here's the first major feature: job scheduling. This is where Service Fusion is strongest. You can create jobs, assign technicians, and track everything in real time. Imagine Alex running a plumbing company with multiple emergency calls per day. Instead of using spreadsheets or phone calls, he can see everything on a live dashboard and assign jobs instantly. But here's the problem. Scheduling alone is not enough if it is not connected to dispatching. That is why the second key feature is dispatch management. You can drag and drop jobs between technicians, update routes, and respond to last-minute changes without losing track of anything. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Service Fusion also includes customer communication tools like call tracking and job notifications. This means customers can get updates automatically when a technician is on the way or when a job is completed. That reduces confusion and improves trust. Another powerful feature is invoicing and payments. Once a job is completed, you can generate invoices directly inside the system. For someone like Jake, who runs a small HVAC business, this means no more manual paperwork or delayed billing. Everything is connected from job to payment. Service Fusion also offers reporting tools. This is where business owners can see performance data like completed jobs, technician productivity, and revenue trends. It helps you understand what is actually happening inside your business instead of guessing. Now let's be real. With all these features, there is a learning curve. It is powerful, but not always the simplest system for beginners. Smaller teams might need time to fully adapt. So the key takeaway is this: Service Fusion is built for control and structure. It gives you deep visibility into your operations, but it requires proper setup and usage to get full value. If your business is growing and you need more than just basic scheduling, these features can make a big difference in how efficiently you operate. To summarize, the best features of Service Fusion include job scheduling, dispatching, customer communication, invoicing, and reporting. Together, they create a complete system for managing field service work. If this breakdown helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more software insights, and comment if you want a comparison with another tool.